Creatures called the Blobs.
Flippy floppies, fishy splashy blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Bright and shiny, fast and funny blobs.
In Paint Box Land, if you're a blob, you can change for any job. Want to ski, just grow your toes. See the sea, just blow your nose. Flap your ears and pigs can fly, startling witches in the sky. It's Puppy Purple. It's not the night that's giving Mousy Brown a fright. There's ghostly white, what has he seen? Oh no, it's grouchy, grumbly green. There's the king, he's royal blue. And Poppy Red, she's popped up too. Creatures called the Blobs.
Flippy floppies, fishy splashy blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Bright and sunny, fast and funny blobs.
Creatures called the Blobs.
Flippy floppies, fishy splashy, bright and sunny,
Creatures called the
funny
Blobs. Blobs, blobs, blobs.
Puppy Purple was not very good at being a dog. In fact, the only thing he was good at was being silly. And on this particular morning, a new day of daftness had dawned.
I'm silly Billy, I do silly things. I race my tail and chase my tail and run around in rings. Ha!
I'm Poppy Red, I pop up a lot. Sometimes when I'm wanted, sometimes when I'm not. Parcel for Puppy Purple. Must be that new collar he ordered. What's wrong with you? Dogs should bark at post people. Let's hear a nice big woof.
Foo! A woof! Fow ow! Woofo!
Here you are.
Puppy Purple found he couldn't even bark. Then he had an idea.
I know, I'll be a cat instead. From now on, I'll be Pussy Purple.
But it was a very silly idea. In fact, if there had been a prize for the silliest idea ever thought of, Puppy Purple would have won. Paws down.
I shall enjoy being a cat. First, I'll practice my meow. Moo. No. Quack. No. Bah. Meow. Yes, I'm a cat, and that's that.
Puppy Purple thought his new life was the cat's whiskers, but he had to keep remembering not to do doggy things.
No more digging for bones, and no more wagging my tail. I'm a cat now. Meow. A mouse. Perfect. I'm supposed to chase them.
When he saw Mousy Brown, the purple puppy cat knew exactly what to do.
Meow. Keepers creepers. Sounds like a cat. I'm off.
He chased poor Mousy right through Flowery White's bakery shop.
Oi, watch where you're going.
Flowery White lost his pizza.
Yikes. Whoa.
Inky Black lost her way.
Gosh, a ghost.
And Ghostly White had the fright of his life. And meanwhile, Mousy Brown knocked everyone over like Skittles.
Meow. Oh, that's no cat. That was a very silly joke, Puppy Purple. Yes, of course. Cats
climb trees. But first, I need some nice long claws. Now what do I do? I'm stuck.
Meanwhile, in another part of the park, Fizzy Orange was busy doing his keep fit exercises so he could pass his next physical.
324, 325. That sounds like a cat in trouble. It's all right, little pussycat. Fizzy's here. Here I come. What are you doing here? I thought you were a stranded cat. What have you got to say for yourself? Meow. Ah! Ow!
As night fell over Paintbox Land, Puppy Purple was still busy being a cat until he came up against the real thing.
We'll keep you awake. We'll make your ears ache. We'll make a terrible row. Meow, 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 meow.
Wow, that's the way to do it.
What's this? Looks like a very silly dog to me.
I'm a cat and I'm meowing. Listen. Meow, meow, meow.
Call yourself a cat? You're useless. Anyway, this is our territory, isn't it, boys?
Yeah,
That's right.
So scram, you sham. Get off our patch or we'll tie your tail in a knot.
Stop all that noise. I haven't slept a wink all night. How am I supposed to rule a kingdom on no sleep?
He can't meow. He can't even bark.
I can.
when Puppy Purple finally found his woof, it was such a loud one that it echoed all around Paintbox Land. The cats were so scared they ran over the hills and far away, never to return again.
Scaredy cats.
Well done, boy. Good dog.
They've shown their true colours now.
You are a dog, aren't you?
Yeah, now I can bark properly. I suppose I must be.
You may enter the royal domain.
Oh, thank you, your royal blueness.
I can't tell you how grateful I am. Those wretched cats have been keeping me awake for months.
Maybe being a dog is a good idea after all.
Of course it is. It's no good trying to be something you're not. Be yourself and you'll go far.
And from that day on, Puppy Purple decided it was better to be a dog than a cat, because the king bestowed upon him the greatest honour in the kingdom.
I now appoint you Royal Watchdog of Paintbox Land. Well done, Puppy Purple. Woof!
Woof.
Nowadays, Puppy Purple is still silly, but at least he's silly by royal appointment. And he knows exactly what he is.
Woof, woof.
He's definitely a dog.